Today I'm going to install ReactOS on this Dell PowerEdge R720, but I'm going to end up running one ReactOS instance per core, so that's going to be 16 ReactOS VMs in total. Okay, here we are in Proxmox on the server, and as you can see we have a ReactOS VM here already, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to create a new one and download the new ISO. I'm going to name it core 1 because it's the first one that for the first core, of course. So I have to upload it first, so I'm not going to do that now. Okay, Microsoft Windows. I'm going to give it 5 gigs, that should be enough. 2 gigs of RAM, that's okay. And E1000, that should be fine. Yes. Okay, here we have it. So I'm going to upload the ISO now. Okay, so here's the VM. I've inserted the ISO, and now I'm going to install ReactOS on it. So here we are on the desktop, and as you can see, I've copied over a Minecraft server, a Spygate server, and we're going to run it on every system. Here we have all the VMs, and I'm not going to bulk start them because that has a delay. I hope that doesn't happen when I start them manually, so let's give it a try. Okay, let's monitor some of them. Oh, it already booted. Oh, look like it's working. So let's prepare running that Minecraft server. But first you're gonna check system resources. Oh yeah, RAM is pretty badly, of course. By the way, I lowered the RAM a bit because I only have 32 gigs. So I'm gonna connect to them one after another and start the Minecraft server. Let's see. Okay, what our resources say? Ooh, all 16 cores seem to be at 100%. Let's watch it generate. No, now it runs with a UI. Yeah. I can hear the fan spin up. How's the first one doing? Okay, it looks like the first one's done, so let's check Minecraft. Does it say the IP address here somewhere? I think it does. So let's add all of them. I'm gonna be right back when I'm done. Okay, so I've added not all, but a lot. What I noticed on the way is that it was not core 4, I think it was core 5. Yes, core 5 completely crashed. So yeah, we don't have that. And yeah, I've not added the last ones. But let's try to connect to some of them. Actually, the first one, let's show the console. And let's try to join. And here we have it, on one of those many cores. I don't know how well terrain generation works, but oh, not that well. Yeah. I think the tick rate is not great, especially when loading terrain, but I mean that's a general problem of running Minecraft server on ReactOS. I'm gonna make myself creative here and take a look at the terrain. And I'm going to connect to a second one. It should have generated a different world. Let's see. Yes, a completely different Minecraft server. I could connect to all of them, but I think that would be boring. So here you have it. 16 Minecraft servers on 16 ReactOS VMs on 16 cores. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.